Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use cardless ATM for card security at Bank of America. So using a cardless ATM at Bank of America is secure, contactless method for withdrawing cash and making transactions without using a physical debit card, which helps prevent skimming. This service requires a smartphone or wearable device with the Bank of America app installed. What you need is, first thing first, you have to use, or if you want to use Bank of America cardless ATM, find the Bank of America ATM displaying the contactless symbol, 3 to 4 radiating curve line, and you have to ensure your Bank of America debit card is added to your mobile wallet. And you just want to make sure to open your digital wallet app and select your Bank of America debit card. Then you just want to hold your device near the contactless symbol on the ATM. The ATM will prompt you to enter your PIN just as you would with a physical card. Select the transaction type, that means withdrawal, balance check, and whatever that you want to. And this is how you're supposed to use cardless ATM for Bank of America. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.